Hey guys, I was sent over this wireless HD transmitter and receiver kit. Really cool little devices to have if you've got, I'd say, a monitor and a laptop or a camera, and you want to watch the video from your camera onto a monitor or from a laptop onto a TV even. Great little device to have here. I'm going to get it opened up and check it out and then hook it up and kind of give you a quick overview of how it works. Pretty cool. Now this particular model comes with 2 receivers and 1 transmitter. So you could hook this up to 2 different monitors. There is your transmitter, your receivers, and we do have the wireless HD transmitter and receiver user manual here. Inside our little box that's down in the bottom of the box, we have our little antennas that goes onto our transmitter and receiver. USB-A to USB-C cord for 1, 2, and 3 of those. Has your HDMI adapter cord here. Also comes with, this one is the regular HDMI to the mini HDMI, and then a regular HDMI to a micro HDMI, which is what you would use on a camera that, like I'm recording with. Now, like I said, the cool thing is I can take that camera, hook this up, hook it up to my television over here, and use that as a monitor. Pretty nice to have in certain situations, especially if you're doing like presentations at like at a church or something like that, and you had the big monitor sitting up behind you or to the side, and laptop sitting in the back, whatever. Really cool. Here we go. This scenario, we're just going to use one. You have your little transmitter right here. You just take the antenna, put it on there, just like that. Now these are supposed to reach up to like 130 foot. You can plug it into a 4K transmitter, but it will only receive at 1080, which is some high definition right there. A lot of devices don't. Like that, I've got an old TV right here, really great picture, but it's 720p. These will work great. Now my other television in the other room is 4K, and then I've got a 1080 in the office. When you're, especially if you're just using it for like a monitor, 720 and up is great. You know, the old TVs were what, 480? These are way above that. And the cool thing about these is you don't have to run a HDMI cord across. I've got a laptop setting up over here, and I've got my TV over there, so I don't have to run a HDMI cord across the floor. Now you do have to power these, so you will have to have a power supply to plug them in, which with the laptop's not a big deal. You can plug these in, run your power cord down to a power supply or to a power outlet, or if you had a power strip mounted on the back of your television, you could just plug in your television to it and this into it, and then you just have one cord running down from your power strip. So that would be great. But right now, we're going to hook this up to the laptop and one to the receiver, which will be our television over here. And I'll show you kind of how it works. Pretty simple, very straightforward. I do have a power bank here. Then I have this. Now I'm just plugging into the HDMI. Put that right back there, out of the way. And I'm set. Now we'll go hook up the laptop. Now as you can see there, it kind of gives you the instructions. We've got it plugged in over here, right there. But you have your instructions here on how to hook the rest of it up. Just like over there, we have our USB-C cord for our power cord. Only here we have our transmitter. Okay, so right here, I have 2 USB ports right here, but this is kind of wide, so I'll have to put it on this furthest one right here. You'll just plug that in, just like that. That'll give us our power that we need. Then you can take your transmitter and plug it into the HDMI, just like that. And now we have the same picture over on our monitor or television. I'll show you. there we have it. So if you wanted to watch something, you could just flip something on a laptop, whatever you was wanting to do. Basically, you have two different monitors. You could use this as a separate monitor as well if you wanted to. Hey y'all, I got sent over a computer desk to put together. And as you can see, we have audio coming from our television as well. So it's not only video, it is audio too. Now, as I had mentioned, you can plug it into the camera there. You have your adapter here. It's in just like that. Then you come over to your camera. We have our port right there. You just have to plug it in right there. Just like that. We will have to power it. Get some power running to it. And now we have our TV hooked up to our camera. Pretty weird looking. But you could use that like that. Well, there we have it. What do you think about that? That is pretty cool, huh? You can hook it up to your laptop, to your TV, or from your laptop to another TV in another bedroom. As long as it's within like 130 feet, I believe it said. You can sit there and watch whatever. I could get a movie going in here on the laptop and take off to the bedroom and not have to stop and find it on that TV in there. I could just keep it rolling right here, and audio and video be transmitted right in there. So, easy to hook up, very simple. It does have the user manual if you need it. And it's really small print, but it is there if you need it. Hey, if you'd like to get this set for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I'd appreciate it. Anyway, definitely a thumbs up. I like it. Really cool. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.